In this $50 billion giveaway review, I'm going to be showing you how you can make affiliate commissions simply by helping businesses get free money. That's right, you just have to give them your affiliate link and you can get paid hundreds and even thousands for helping them get free money. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you the back end area of this product so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out $50 billion giveaway, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says make money by just giving money away, $50 billion of government funds. Here's the newest way to make 6 figures or more by sharing one special link that gives away up to $64,000 in free money. So essentially, businesses that were affected by the pandemic can now can get free money from the government. And essentially, you just need to be, it can be a solopreneur, it can be a big business. If they are receiving 1099s, then they can actually receive assistance and get free money. And you can get a commission by helping them get access to that money here. So you just share out your link, you can get a commission from that. You can make it so that you can do, they say you can do all these different things. You don't have to do paid ads. You don't have to do any kind of thing where you're putting your face on camera or anything like that. This is money that you're simply helping people get access to, and you're getting paid in the process for this thing called the self-employed tax credit. And again, you're going to get paid an affiliate commission simply for helping people get access to this money. So it's kind of a cool thing. You don't have to sell them anything. You're helping them and getting paid in the process. So I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back and show you the back end area and just in just a sec.
Welcome to the $50 billion giveaway. This is an incredible opportunity for anybody to share one link, one little magic link, and get paid tons of money for giving away free government money. So the government set aside over $50 billion for people that were affected by COVID. And this is for self-employed individuals, but this applies to solopreneurs as well. So even if somebody was an Uber driver, somebody had an Airbnb, somebody was selling on Amazon, even if somebody was an affiliate marketer, an internet marketer, no matter who it is, and they had 1099 income, they qualify for free money from the government. And it's very, very easy to qualify, and it's an incredible opportunity. So there's 3 ways we want you to know that you can make money with this opportunity, and you'll learn all about it down this page. But number 1, the first way is you share your affiliate link with people who are entrepreneurs. Basically, it's so easy for people to qualify. You share it with anybody who's had any entrepreneur income, any self-employed income in the US, and you get paid. You're getting paid hundreds and even thousands of dollars for sharing this link. Now, the cool thing about this link is this link gives them up to $32,000 of refund money, free money from the government. I mean, this is incredible. So instead of you going out and selling something, you're not selling anything. You're giving money away. You're giving people access to free money that they didn't even know they had coming to them. So that's powerful, and that's the first way that you can make money with this. The second way you can make money with this is you can bring on affiliates to your affiliate army. So you can build your affiliate army because this is a 2-level or a 2-tier affiliate program. So not only can you make money by offering your link and sharing your link with entrepreneurs, but those entrepreneurs can share their link with other entrepreneurs, and you make a percentage of all of those deals as well. So guess what? That's where kind of the real money is, right? Because all you need to do is introduce it to one person that has 3,000 or 4,000 people on their email list, 3,000 or 4,000 people in their network marketing business, 3,000 or 4,000 people in their association or their group or whatever. And you're in the money. You're making money. This is so incredibly easy. And the third way that you can make money with this opportunity is if you happen to live in the US and you have self-employment income, you can apply for this program using your affiliate link. So not only are you going to get that free government money, which is up to $32,000, but you're also going to get paid a commission on that as well. So there's three powerful ways for you to make money with this. It's an incredible, incredible opportunity.
Yeah, I mean, Dave has said it pretty well, but at the same time, there's some other things that I want to mention. Number one, you can be from anywhere in the world. So you don't have to be from the United States, number one. Yes, this money is for people that are going to get the money in the United States, but you can profit from anywhere in the world. It's so crazy because this one magic link, you don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to have an email list. You don't have to do anything. You just have to get the right people to click on this. When you tell an Uber driver that they could get paid $32,000 just for simply being an Uber driver, they're like, what are you talking about? That's the kind of craziness that's going on here. There's all kinds of people that qualify for this, and we can complain and say, it's not fair that the government's just throwing all this money around. There's inflation and all this crap. Well, guess what? Now we can access part of that money. That money's there. That money is there to be given away, and you can make a profit off of someone getting paid. You're giving away free money. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to convince anybody of anything. It's just like, check this out. They click on it, then all the heavy lifting, all the work to convince them is done behind the scenes. You're just letting them know about it. And we show you in the $50 billion giveaway program exactly how to get in front of the right people. So they click on the link, everything that's done behind the scenes, we don't care. The bottom line is they get their money and you get a big, big fat commission. That's number one. Number two, building teams. So even though strategy number one is insane, strategy number two, you get it again in front of the right people. They have the lists, they have all the teams, and they're into this kind of stuff. And they're like, whoa, this reminds me of other stuff that existed in the past, and I made all kinds of money, and those things don't exist right now. This thing is brand new. They get a hold of this, and they got it from your link. That's it. Hey, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for the link. Now they're getting in front of thousands of people, and they're getting the word out there, and they're getting all these commissions, and you're getting paid for that. That's insane. Again, anywhere in the world, you're just letting people know about the link, and we show you super, super simple strategies without you having to have an email list, without you having to spend any money, without you having tech skills, just letting people know that there is free money for them to have to the tune of tens of thousands of dollars, and you get these big, big fat commissions. We've set it all up. We've done all the heavy lifting. You get in this program, we show you exactly how to get in front of the right people, exactly how to get your simple, quick, magic link and start getting paid from anywhere in the world.
And here's the thing, this program is only good for about 1 year, which means you've got to get on it right now. You've got to take action right now. Be sure to read this entire page, because in a year, this $50 billion is gone. Poof, it's gone. So your opportunity to give away that money is gone. So you want to be sure to take action right now. Get on this as soon as possible. Start making that money, because, again, it's a limited time opportunity. We're not limiting it. The government is. They have this $50 billion. It's already allocated for entrepreneurs. Why don't we go out and help our fellow entrepreneurs to make this free money up to $32,000 per self-employed person? Hey, if they're married to another entrepreneur, like both husband and wife have 1099 income, that's $64,000 for that family. You better believe they're going to be excited, and you're going to be their hero by just sharing this one link. And you get paid handsomely for doing that.
I mean, internet marketing should be fun. It should be. We should be excited to do this kind of stuff. And these opportunities, these types of opportunities are few and far between. And there's a reason why this is limited, because that's just the reality of it. So this is going to be for the action takers. That $50 billion is there. If people don't want to get it, the government doesn't care. They're going to do something else 5 years from now. The bottom line is we care about that. We care about not just putting smiles on people's faces, but giving them real world dollars. And when you can be from anywhere in the world and you can put smiles on their faces by giving them money, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for not having to sell me anything. Thanks a lot for this $32,000. They don't even know. They don't even care that you're getting a big fat commission. But the bottom line is you're making people happy. You're making a difference from anywhere in the world with no money out of pocket. It just does not get any more simple than this. It does not get any more beautiful than this. It's this beautiful, amazing package that you can insert yourself into. And those that are willing to take action, those that are willing to just let people know about this link are going to get paid handsomely. If you are anywhere in the spectrum, if you're a beginner, if you're an intermediate, if you're advanced, there's room for all of us here. And this is $50 billion. Think about that. That's a lot of money. I'm going to get my math wrong. Is that 5,000 million? Is that 50,000 million? I don't know. It's a lot of millions. And you can get your cut. There's nothing stopping you. Pick it up below, take action, and start making that money.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the back end area that you'll have access to after you purchase. Now, how they do this is they have it in a PDF, but they have videos that are linked out inside of this. So there's multiple different videos that you're going to be able to watch to actually learn exactly how this whole system works. They do have upgrades. They ask me not to show the upgrades, so I'm going to respect them on that, but just know that they will be offering you different things, but they are completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about the $50 billion giveaway and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, it's kind of hypey. The fact that they're talking about $50 billion and making money from in the process, just know that, I mean, this is an affiliate thing. You are getting paid essentially a commission for a lead, and that's how this works. What do I like about it? I think this is a very neat idea, especially the fact that you can get paid simply by getting a lead. You're not actually having to sell anyone anything. If this is something that you'd like to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at the $50 billion giveaway, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Thanks.